Packaged. Nice big bottle like that. 2 ounces. Still not a significant amount, but it'll do for a period of time. Now this one, I gotta make sure that it's not melted or anything. This is the balm. I don't think it would have melted because of the weather right now, but and then it's also sealed, I'm pretty sure. Into that in a little bit. But this is the real kicker right here. This right here. Humidor, Dragon Spice, Pinewood Forest, King's Lagoon, Sire, Vanguard, Bonfire Brandy, Crusaders Coast, Cavalier, Whiskey Glaze, and Tortuga Bay. So you can see these are about the size of a little pinky. They're about the size of a battery. So, alright. I'm gonna open this one first. This is called Grief. It's supposed to smell like cinnamon. No, 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 not cinnamon. Alright, cinnamon, sugar crackers, like graham crackers, as well as toasted marshmallows. So, honestly, to me, it just smells like this little like scent, like not a diffuser, but some. I don't know. It's not as nice as I would have expected, as I would have hoped. It's not bad either. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear it though. So we're gonna leave the balm as is. But this is the thing that really caught my attention here. So this is Humidor right here. El Humidor. Let's see what it does. The scent profile is smooth and sweet Cuban cigar, blended with hints of honey, black pepper, and vanilla. Yeah, I could see this being like a nice cologne. Dragon spice. So this is a woodsy blend with a fiery scent of cinnamon and subtle hint of vanilla. It's one of the ones that I was actually interested in smelling. It almost has like a a liquor scent to it. It's kind of musky. But yeah, you can smell a little bit of the vanilla. I mean the cinnamon as well. Not so much the vanilla, but the cinnamon is there. Pinewood Forest. This blend has a strong scent of pine with hints of cedar and oak. This is the one that I was actually interested in as well. Kind of smells like, oh yeah, it's pine. So yeah, it's not like crazy good. Let's see, King's Lagoon. I'm gonna have to try them out. Of course, I'm gonna have to like give them a test on beard and see how that how it is. But this one was King's Lagoon. Yeah, this is a nice cologne too. This is a really nice cologne right here. It's supposed to be blended with coconut, citrus, and hints of vanilla. So this is the one that should have been. Oh no, no, it is. Crusaders Coast is the one that's coconut and pineapple. So, Sire, this cologne, this complete essence, the complete essence of a high-end cologne. We'll see about that. Yeah, these are actually. This one's pretty good. Sire. Vanguard. This is a newer one. This is one of the newer scents that they came out with. This is replacing the Exile scent that used to be on their site. So this is Royal Beardsmen, by the way. Yeah, it's another nice cologne scent. Let's see. A cologne blend with a rustic yet modern aroma that is still suitable for daily use. Let's try this Bonfire Brandy. Yeah, that last one is still kind of lingering about. This one kind of smells like beef jerky. You can smell, well, I can smell the. Yeah, it kind of smells like something burning. Remember, this is just the first impression, so I'm gonna do this real quick. Shouldn't be take longer than 15 minutes. Crusaders Coast. There's definitely pineapple in this. It's mostly pineapple. This scent is heavily blended with pineapple and coconut. Coconut. So this was the Bonfire Brandy. This blend closely correlates to a burning fire with a small hint of sweet and smooth brandy. See, this next one is Cavalier. Warm vanilla, citrus, cinnamon, and several light tones to build complexity. So Cavalier. It's kind of hard to pick up the scent. Next up is whiskey glaze. Yeah, it kind of smells like dough, like sugary dough. So if you're into pastries, I'm not really picking up the whiskey. A freshly glazed donut alongside a tall glass of Tennessee whiskey. I don't know why anyone would have a tall glass of whiskey, but so this last one was, yeah, I think I already said that. So this last one is Tortuga Bay. Smells like smells tropical, but yeah, I'd say that these compared to like the just right out of the like just smelling them from the little sample size uh, vial compared to the other beard oils that I tried. These are not on par with the other ones, but I still have to try them on the beard and see what. And then the other ones, I never did like a follow up review where I actually tried all the oils and then like made my gave a definitive opinion on them. But all right, let's try a little bit of this grief just so that we're not completely. One, two drops, that's all we need. It also smells like a sugary pastry. It smells really nice. It smells like some kind of sugar cookie you would have during Christmas or something. But it does just remind me of this kind of this oil that my mom has used before in the living room to just give the house a nice smell. So I'm not a big fan of it. But I will try these and I'll get back to everybody on what my thoughts are. So look forward to that. Anyway, this was Royal Beardsman, first impressions of the Grief beard oil and all the samples that they have as a sample set. They only have one sample set, and that'll be all for today. All right.